Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Wells Fargo to your Fidelity account. First, open your Fidelity app or website, whichever you prefer. Tap your profile icon, then go to Link Accounts and Banks. Here, you link your Wells Fargo account by entering your login credentials and confirming the connection. Once your bank is linked, go to the Transact tab at the bottom of the app. Then select Transfer at the top. Choose Wells Fargo as the account you're transferring from, and your Fidelity account as the one you're transferring to. Set the frequency once, weekly, or monthly, and enter the amount you want to deposit. Tap Review, double-check your details, and hit Submit to complete the transfer. And that's it! Your funds will be moved safely from Wells Fargo to Fidelity. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.